under trip cancellation is financial default. And I can't tell you how important that's going to become in the days to come. We are seeing suppliers on a daily basis that are going bankrupt. I mean, they're just not going to be able to sustain, the COVID, what we have going on today. So on both of our products, we do have a bankruptcy and financial default. And the reason why I tell you that is because a lot of the cruise line tour operator insurance, when you're buying their insurance, they can't cover for their own bankruptcy. So across the board, when your money, if they go bankrupt, the money's going right along with it. So Travelex will cover for bankruptcies and financial defaults as long as they haven't gone bankrupt already, and as long as you're buying within the pre-existing waiver timeframe, which would be on Travel Select would be 21 days, and on Travel Basic it's 15 days. So we do have a pre-existing waiver, and we're waiving those pre-existing conditions that your customer might have. So anything from something that you've seen the doctor for really is now considered a pre-existing condition. And I always like to say that we're also covering the family members' pre-existing conditions. So that's going to become really important that you offer the insurance within that time, and they buy the insurance during that time. Because what happens is that I thought my dad and I are very close. I was actually out of town, and come to find out he was having a tumor removed from his neck, and they were checking it for cancer. But it's not one of those things that he probably would have shared with me. And I was really surprised later on to find out that, it was benign and all was good. But at the time, that could have became a big issue had I had a trip planned and not purchase within that 21 days for the pre-existing waiver. So we're waiving those pre-existing conditions that your customer might have seen the doctor for, or their family members. Family member would include, of course, spouse or domestic partner, child, sibling, parents, grandparents, step-grandparents, grandchild, step-grandchild, step-child, step-parenting, step-sibling, step-aunt, step-aunt, uncle, parent-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, legal guardian, caregiver, foster child. And you can see that the list is very long when it comes down to it. The terms and conditions can always change. And for full policy details, you can always either go to your website and click on the link, or they can go to my website and they can actually go to the policy details to see all of the policy details.